3D printing. Inventor's great for 3D printing. I will be doing something just on 3D printing because I use it a lot for 3D printing. So you could take this part. I'll show it now, actually, because people might want to 3D print things I've done on this basic course. So if you wanted to 3D print this part, you could go to the 3D print section, okay, and you would probably, so you would want to set the orientation of it. So the bed, what do you want on the bed? Well, that face would probably be sitting on the bed, okay, and then your 3D printer, I like to put it on high resolution. Make sure it's on the correct units if you want it to scale, which you probably do. And then really, you just save it out to an STL. An STL file, you can then put into your slicing software, Cura or whatever you use, depending on what kind of printing you're doing. And that will come into your slicing software for you to do whatever you will with it. So you could 3D print all these things you've made. Okay, and that's it. The other print options, really, I don't tend to use much. I tend to just take it out high in the correct units. Most of the printers aren't in here. You could probably get a file for your printer, I would imagine, but most of that stuff is done in your slicer software anyway. From Inventor, really, you just want to get your model out into an STL file. So make sure it's on high, otherwise your curves will be kind of faceted with flat sides. Yeah, make sure it's set in orientation, although even if it was the wrong orientation, your slicer software will probably let you rotate it. The main thing is to get it out to scale, okay, which is this setting here. Make sure it's to the correct units, high resolution, and then just save it out as an STL. And there you go, and then you'll be ready to print it. Or, sorry, you'll be ready to bring it into your slicer software and do what you usually do with any STL file. And that's your Inventor files printed.